Nung pong sinabit namin yung proposal for 2023 in August, wala naman pong nakalagay na linya na confidential fund sa proposal, pero nung lumabas po yung NEP, National Expenditure Program, meron na pong nakalagay doon na confidential expense at 150 million.
So Yusek, do you confirm that was the first time that DepEd proposed an item of confidential funds, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. First time po sa Department of Education na magkaroon ng confidential
So kailan po yun naipasok? That was 2023?
National Expenditure Program, NEP 2023 po.
So how the amount determined? Paano yung determine? At paano nyo nilalagay sa line item? Did you enter in the budget of DepEd? And then what's the cost of this insertion, ma'am? Ano ang